Good afternoon everyone. So today's car is a Chrysler, and it's a Chrysler Crossfire. Now it's a 2003 3.2 petrol, and you can see there that is the Mercedes lump. That's a Mercedes engine that's in this thing. So the codes are, well, they've actually been deleted, but it's relating to the O2 sensor, especially bank 2 sensor 1. So if we quickly look at them, the O2 sensor, bank 1 sensor 1 hits switching better than that one down there. This one seems to be staying high quite a lot of the times. So we already had codes here. I'll put that thing off. No codes present, it says. Right, it's not very clear this. I'll need to try and get in via my little hotel scan tool. It's so difficult to get into Chryslers in this country. Because, oh dear. Right, I'll get back to you. Right, back to the Chrysler. So, it's so problematic to get into these cars. So here's the codes already pulled. So, a P0106 present. Manifold absolute pressure, barometric pressure sensor, circuit range performance. A P0410. The air system A, and a P0151 present, O2 sensor circuit, low voltage, bank 2 sensor 1. So there's bank 2 sensor 1, and let's say in low voltage, but kind of looks high voltage to me. Incidentally, the only one that could look at this was the launch. The hotel maybe can do it, but trying to navigate the software's a problem. And the rest of these figures are fairly gobbledygook, I think you'll agree. Oh, what a mess. So, let's see this. So I thought the first one to attack was to see this air system A. I think that's that forced intake manifold stuff that forces air into the intake manifold. So let's see, actuation test. So this has a, let's see, can't even see it, air pump switchover. So go into the car and we'll see if this works at least. So press that. So it's somewhere about, I think. So that's it there. So that's certainly working. I would say that's the air system. So that proves that pump's working. The concern would be then the air ducting of the thing, or where the air's blasted into, or the actual switchover valve. But at least the pump's working. The other code we had was map sensor. Now, where the hang is that? There's a sensor there. Oh dear, just pulled that one off. Somebody's been here before. Look, there's a screw missing. So somebody's having problems here before. And then the O2 sensor was reading low, it said, but to me it's like there's a vacuum leak, something like that somewhere. But I'm not really sure. But the codes have been deleted, so I can't actually get the manufacturer's codes, which is a problem. Let's see if they've came back. No, nothing there, so we can't do nothing to the codes return. Well, we're just having a nosy, and actually onto the map sensor, the pipe is disconnected. So let's try and reconnect that and see if that solves our problem. Not just lying like that. Oh boy. I have reconnected that map sensor and you can actually see the reading changes. So even though it's gobbledygook, I'd imagine that's 1.8 volts. So what I'll do is, the pipe's still on. So we'll just turn the ignition off. See, then you've got to come back out this thing. Go okay, go back into it. Start it back up. We see the reading. The reading changes. And then, hate these old cars. So we're 1.9 see, and then it goes to 85, so that is changing. But as you can see, the light's back on, so let's see what the code is. No DTCs, yet clearly the light is on. So
Aye. We'll let you think about it.
I think I'll be ready to bomb the thing. Right, neighbour. So there's the code it's came, a P0151. Low voltage bank 2 sensor 1. Oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 1 and bank 2 sensor 1. If anything, that's staying high. So you can see bank 1 sensor 1 switching nice, I would say, even though it's a rubbish graphing meter. And that's... oh. O2 sensor circuit low voltage, bank 2 sensor 1. I wouldn't say it's low, I'd say it's high. I say bank 1 sensor 1's low. Short-term filter on bank 2 is minus 12 and minus 10. Right, in order to get into this thing, I had to go become a Mercedes 2004, a 163.154 M class. And you can see it's a 3.2. And the code it comes up is P2082G3/3 left O2 sensor before cat, short circuit in the signal line. So if I then go back, we're going to data, I go into lambda control upstream. So you can see this has got a better switching idle than this one has, less range. But funnily enough, when you rev it, it's getting full range. A bit gas. So you can see it takes a dive, and it's got the ability to control it. So, but when it's at idle, it's staying rich. I think we need to do our homework here. The other thing is adaptation value. Let's have a look. Nothing there. Save that one. Speed regulation. Start our value at idle. So go into that. Well, camshaft hall sensor signal implausible. Didn't like that. But it's no complaining about it. What's that? Start it up, should probably cut out. Don't like that. So that test proves that O2 sensor works. So it's driving it lean. But its switching range is poor. Put it off. Start it again. That's the air pump going on. It's drawing in air. Need to think about this one. You hear the pump winding down.